Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Mondays with Elijah. And for today, you will gonna know who I am with my episode number 1. In this episode, you will know the reason why I did this content, kung bakit ko nga ba gustong gawin to, and some facts about me. So, the reason behind this content is that para may mabalikan ako in the future. Kung ano yung naisip ko ngayon, kung anong plano ko, and current situation ko right now para ma-inspire ako yung future ako. And the basics about me? Well, I'm a young adult living here in the province of Cavite, city of Imus, and I'm excited na makilala ko pa ang sarili ko through this content. Thank you so much, guys. Subscribe and see you sa next video.